Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw Peppa Pig and her family, and they are going in their car. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I am going to draw car. Draw with me kids. Follow the instructions. Now I'm going to make wheels for our car. Great job! Now I'm going to make two lights for our car and add some detailing into our car and two mirrors. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great job! Our car is ready. Now I'm going to draw our pig family. I am going to draw Daddy Pig's face first. Now I am going to make Mama Pig's face as well. They both are sitting in front seat. Mama Pig is driving the car. Now I'm going to make Daddy Pig's face. They both are very happy. And now I'm going to make their seat belts. Great! Now it's time to draw our cute George and Peppa. Let's draw our George first. Great! Our George is ready. Now I'm going to draw Peppa's face. Great! Now I'm going to draw her body. She is also wearing a seat belt. Pig family is enjoying the ride. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great job kids! Our picture is ready. It's coloring time. Let's color our picture. Light pink color for our pig's family face. Great! Now I'm going to use dark pink color. It's time to color our seat belts with sky blue color. Now I'm going to color our car. Let's color our car kids. Orange color. Now I'm going to choose purple color. Brown color in our car's tires. Red color for our car's front part. Sky blue color for mirrors. Yellow color for lights. Great, our car is ready. Now I'm going to color our clouds with sky blue color. Grey color. Great job kids, our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.